Welcome to all here in the session of mathematics. In today's session, we will discuss tangent normal, which is the chapter of application of derivative. Before going to the chapter, first we should acquainted some concepts of tangent normal. Suppose one curve is there having the equation y is equal to f of x. The equation of the curve is y is equal to f of x. If the line, this line touches the curve at only one point, then you can say this one is the tangent to the curve. At that point, suppose named by P having the coordinate xy, then this point is called point of contact to the curve. Okay. Now suppose you have to ask what is the normal to the curve at this point P. That means you have to draw perpendicular to the tangent at the point P is called the normal to the curve at the point P. So this one is the normal to the curve. Okay. That means normal is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay. And P is the common point to normal and tangent and also to the curve. That means this point P lies on the tangent, on the normal and also on the curve. That is the common point. Okay. Next, we will go to the slope. To find the equation of the tangent, first you should know what is the slope of the line. That is slope of the tangent. Suppose one line having the inclination theta. Slope of the line having the inclination theta means this line having the inclination means the line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis, if the line makes an angle theta, then tan theta will be the slope of this line. If theta is given, then tan theta is the slope of the line. Okay. Next, slope can be found with the help of 2 points found. That is, if 2 points on the line given having the coordinate x1, y1 and x2, y2, then slope of the line is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Another thing, if equation of this line given, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then slope of the line is m is equal to minus a by b. Now to find the equation of the tangent, we have to find the slope of the tangent, because all of you know that the equation of any line or equation of the tangent is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m whole into x minus x1, where m is the slope of the line and x1 y1 is any point on the line. This is the point slope for to find the equation of any line. So to find the slope of the tangent when equation of the curve is given, then all of you know that dy by dx, that is rate of change of y with respect to x, is nothing but the slope of the tangent at the point xy to the curve. Now you may ask why dy by dx is the slope of the tangent at the point xy. So to clear all this, you take this diagram. Suppose this line intersecting the curve at two different points P and Q, having the coordinate x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay. Now these are the perpendicular. Then this part is x2 minus x1 and this part is y2 minus y1. If this angle is theta, then slope of the line is tan theta is equal to P by B. This one is the right angle triangle, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is rate of change of y with respect to x. That means limit delta x when tends to 0. This is the change in x. When tends to 0 means this point is nearer to, that means these 2 points are coincide. When coincide, this secant is converted into tangent. So limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x, that is nothing but the rate of change of y with respect to x, that is nothing but the dy by dx, which is called the tan theta. So tan theta is equal to dy by dx. That means dy by dx is equal to slope of the tangent. So equation of the tangent. Now equation of the tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to m. That means m is here slope of the tangent. M means dy by dx at the point x1 y1 x minus x1. This is the equation of the tangent, and equation of the normal is also y minus y1 is equal to, when normal is, since normal is perpendicular to the tangent, that's why, so slope of the normal is minus 1 by dy by dx. Since when two lines are perpendicular, then their product of their slope is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. So these are the formula to find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Now we'll go to some questions to clarify all these concepts. So make it a note. Next we'll go to some questions. Read the questions. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x. Let the curve is this one and the tangent is this one and the normal is this one. So you have to find the equation of the tangent and normal, and the equation of the curve given, that is x cube minus x. Okay, so first you have to find the dy by dx and the point on the curve, that is x1 y1. Okay, so to find the point here, indicated point is given at x is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, that implies y is equal to 2 cube minus 2, that is 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. Hence the point of contact is equal to how much? Hence point of contact is how much? That is 2, 6. Okay, now we have to find the slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx. So y is given, dy by dx is equal to how much? 3x square minus 1. Now at the point dy by dx, at the point x is equal to 2. Writing style is likewise. So dy by dx at the point x is equal to 2 is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 1, that is 11. Okay, that is the slope. You should mention here slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent at 2, 6. So equation of the tangent is given by y minus y1. Here y1 is, you can write at 2, 6. y1 is 6, x1 is 2. So y minus 6 is equal to m dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to how much? 11 whole into x minus x1, x minus 2. That is nothing but the y minus 6 is equal to 11x minus 22, or in other words 11x minus y minus 22 plus 6 minus 16 is equal to 0, which is the equation of the tangent. To find the equation of the normal, here you can find equation of the normal is given by, at the point 2, 6 is given by y minus y1, that is y minus 6, and slope of the normal is minus 1 by dy by dx, isn't it? Whole into x minus 2. That is nothing but the y minus 6 minus 1 by 11. 11 is the value of the dy by dx at the point 2, 6. So minus 1 by 11 whole into x minus 2. So 11 should be multiplied. 11y minus 66 is equal to minus 6 plus 2. That means x plus 11y minus 68 is equal to 0. That is the equation of the normal. In this way, you can find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. First you have to find, if you go through the stepwise, first you have to find the point of contact. When x is equal to this much, then y is equal to how much? So you should find the point of contact. In the next step, you have to find dy by dx. dy by dx at this point, what is the value? That is the slope of the tangent at that point. Then equation of the tangent, y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx, that is m whole into x minus x1. You can find the equation of the tangent. Now equation of the normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx whole into x minus x1. So make it a note. Now we'll go to the statement problem. Carefully, so that the sum of the intercept on the coordinate axis of any tangent to the chord root x plus root y is equal to root a is constant. So let this one is the rough sketch of the chord root x plus root y is equal to root a. That means any tangent and the intercept of this tangent, we have to draw any tangent to the chord. Let this point of contact is x and y, and this tangent intersect the coordinate axis, that means x axis at A and y axis at B. He is asking sum of the intercept, means this is the x intercept, all of you know this is the x intercept and this part is the y intercept. Okay, you have to add this part plus this part is equal to constant, you have to prove. This part you can find by the intercept form of the equation of the tangent, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation of the tangent in intercept form, that means right hand side should be equal to 1. So you have to find the equation of the tangent first, then you have to convert that equation into intercept form. So let's start the solution. Given equation of the chord is root x plus root y is equal to root a, that is the equation number 1. Now differentiating with respect to x, 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root y dy by dx is equal to how much? Constant. Derivative of constant is 0. So now we have to find the dy by dx, that is the slope of the tangent at the point xy. So 1 by 2 root y dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 root x. Then 2 cancel, so dy by dx is equal to minus root y by root x. You can mention slope of the tangent at xy. So we have already found slope of the tangent is root y by root x, that is m, and the point of contact is xy. So equation of the tangent can be written as, now the equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx x minus x1. So y minus y1, here y1 is y and x1 is x. So y minus y is equal to dy by dx is how much? Minus root y by root x, x minus x. So this is nothing but the root y dividing here y minus root y minus y by root y is equal to minus x by root x plus x by root x. From this, so y by root y, this one transferring into LHS, that is plus x by root x is equal to y by root y. This one is small y, this one is also root over of small y, that means root y here. This one is root x. So here root y plus root x plus root y at the RHS. Again root x plus root y, from the question it is given that is equal to root a. So this is nothing but the root a. Now root a dividing, we have to convert the equation of the tangent into which form? Intercept form. Then you can find the x intercept and y intercept. So this one can be written as, x by dividing root a both the side, x by root x into root a plus y by root y, and dividing here root y into root a both side, dividing here root a by root a is equal to how much? 1. So this is the intercept form. So from this we conclude that this one is the x intercept, this one is the y intercept. So you can write here, so x intercept of the tangent, this is the equation of the tangent. So x intercept is how much? Here denominator of x, that is root x root a, and y intercept of the tangent is equal to how much? Root y root a. Okay, now he is asking sum of the intercept. Sum of the intercept is equal to root x root a plus root y root a. Taking root a as common, so root x plus root y, which is again root a. So root a into root a is equal to how much? A. So from this we conclude that sum of the intercept any intercept of the tangent of any tangent on the coordinate axis is always a constant. So you can write A, which is a constant, which is a constant. Hence this one is the sum of the intercept of the tangent on the coordinate axis is constant, hence proved. So make it a note, then we will go to the next problem. Now read the question carefully. He is asking the two curves y is equal to 2 pi x and y is equal to 5 to pi x, they are intersecting at an angle tan inverse ln pi by 2 whole divided by 1 plus ln 2 into ln pi. Before going to the solution of the problem, first we have to draw the rough sketch of the two curves, that is y is equal to 2 pi x and y is equal to 5 to pi x. So let us draw the first rough sketch. Here is the rough sketch of the two curves. This one is the y is equal to 2 pi x and this one is equal y is equal to 5 to pi x, and the two tangents have been drawn at the point of intersection. First you will find what is the point of intersection of the two curves. To find the angle between the two curves, we have to find the angle between their tangents, because the angle between the two curves is nothing but the angle between their tangents at the point of intersection. So first you have to find the point of intersection of two curves, then you have to find the slopes of the two tangents to the two curves at the point of intersection. Taking this one, these slopes are m1 and m2. With the help of the formula, tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2 modulus of this. You can find theta is equal to tan inverse of this, where m1 is the slope of the tangent of first curve and m2 is the slope of the tangent to the second curve. So let us try the solution. Given equation is 0, 1. You see, given equation of the two curves are y is equal to 2 to pi x and y is equal to 5 to pi x. So now to find the point of intersection, so here 2 to pi x is equal to y, 5 to pi x is equal to y. That means they are equal to each other. 2 to pi x is equal to 5 to pi x. So 2 to pi x by 5 to pi x is equal to 1. That means 2 by 5 whole to pi x is equal to 1 means 2 by 5 whole to pi 0. That is base are same means exponent should be equal. That means x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, replacing here or here, 2 to pi 0, that is 1, or here 5 to pi 0 is 1. So the value of y is 1. So the point of intersection is 0 and 1. So we have found the point of intersection, that is P between the two curves. Okay. Now you can mention here. So the point of intersection to the two curves is 0, 1. Now you have to find the derivative, that is dy by dx, that is the slope of the tangent to the first curve, 2 to pi x into ln 2, and dy by dx, that is the slope of the tangent to the second curve, is equal to 5 to pi x into ln 5. Okay, we have found the dy by dx. Now we have to find dy by dx at the point 0, 1. That means this point you have to find slope of the tangent to the first curve at the point of intersection of the two curves. So at 0, 1, that means x is equal to 0. Here you will replace x is equal to 0. That means 2 to pi 0 into ln 2 is nothing but the ln 2, which is the slope of the first tangent. You can denote this one by m1. Okay, and the second curve, that is dy by dx, is equal to at the point x is equal to 0, 1 is nothing but the how much, that is 5 to the 0, 5 to the 0 is 1 ln 5. You can denote this one by m2. Okay, now slope of the first tangent, that is m1, and slope of the second tangent is m2. Now with the help of this formula, tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. What is theta? Theta is the angle between the two tangent. So you will write here. Here we know that the angle between the two curves is the angle between their tangents at the point of intersection, at point of intersection. Okay, so therefore now the slope of the two tangents already we have found. If theta be the angle between the two tangents, if theta be the angle between the two tangents, then tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. That is nothing but the, how much? m2 is, we have m2 is ln 5 minus ln2 whole divided by 1 plus ln2 into ln 5 modulus of that is nothing but the ln 5 log m minus log n, that is log m by n, ln 5 by 2 divided by 1 plus ln2 into ln 5. This is nothing but the tan inverse, this much. What is that? This one is theta. So we have theta is the angle between the two tangents, that is nothing but the angle between the two curves. He is asking, prove that the angle between the two curves or intersecting, the two curves are intersecting at an angle tan inverse ln 5 by 2 by 1 plus ln2 into ln 5. So just we have proved. Now the summarize, if you summarize these questions, first you have to find the point of intersection, that means 2 to pi x is equal to 5 to pi x. Taking this one, you will find x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. 0 1 is the point of intersection. Okay, would you follow up to this? So 0 1 is the point of intersection to the two curves. Next, dy by dx, that is slope of the tangent. Since the angle between the two curves means you have to find angle between the two tangents. So you have to find the slope of the two tangents. Here you see slope of the two tangents means dy by dx equal to 2 pi x ln 2 and dy by dx at the point 0 1 is ln 2. That is the slope of the first tangent to the first curve, that is m1. Again dy by dx is, that is dy by dx to the second curve, slope of the tangent to the second curve is ln 5, that is equal to m2. Now you can write here, we know that the angle between the two curves is nothing but the angle between their tangents at the point of intersection. Okay, so taking theta be the angle between the two tangents, we have tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the formula, that is the basic formula from 11th class. So this is nothing but the ln 5 minus ln 2 by 1 plus ln 2 into ln 5. So ln 5 by 2 tan inverse this much. So we have proved. So make it a note.